Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be going over, I get a lot of questions, why am I canceling my Teachable account? Or why am I moving my course to YouTube? We're going to get into that. So if you guys are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share, and let's get into it. Alrighty then, folks. So as you guys probably have been seeing on my social media, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, etc., I started my own company, ISP Security, last year. So behind the scenes, it takes a lot of effort. Whoever has started business before, they know the struggle, they know the ins and outs, late nights, early mornings, blah, blah, blah. So the reason why I'm shying away from Teachable, I don't have enough students. That's the God honest truth. I started it boomed for a few months, and it is a very expensive platform to manage, right? So we can show you together so you don't think I'm fibbing, right? So let's just go to Google and just put Teachable. And I wasn't planning on doing this because it just came up, pricing, right? So if we go to Teachable pricing, let's just come down here. So restart. What the hell? I guess I have to restart my my browser. Okay, sorry about that. All right, let's try to give that a go again. And Teachable pricing. Okay, so let's come back here. Let's go ahead and click on here. So we can see here, this is the plan I had, right? So it's about, like if you do yearly, it's $130, $140 a month. I think it was like, if I do a yearly subscription, say for example, if I try free trial, I have to log in. But anyhow, so you guys get it. Like if we do calculator, right? If we do a calculator and we say, I'm not the best in math right now because it's really early in the morning, times 12, that's about $1,600, right? So $1,600 a year. If I'm selling my course for 50 bucks and I don't sell 2 courses for that month or 3 courses, or, you know, to justify the cost, it doesn't make sense for me. And since I started ISP Security, my focus has not been my courses, right? To update my course, to put more courses out, because I'm transitioning into more of a business, right? So with that being said, I had to come up with something in my head. Okay, what can I do next? What can I do to keep this course active or keep this course going? And for those folks, and I just want to make this very clear, right? If for those folks that actually paid for it, I have a list of all the users that are in the platform. So if you want to continue, me personally, with me trusting you, this is a really, really big trust, and I try to figure out a way, but I guess this is the only way. I will zip all the raw footage, the raw files that I upload to the platform and email it to you, or put it on a Google Drive and get that over to you. But you have to show proof that you purchased the course. So now, if you're new and you're like, okay, I want to purchase a course, today is April 30th, 2026. Do not purchase it on Teachable. What you want to do is become a member on my channel. Let me come back over here since it restarted. So if you come over to my channel, all right, let me keep this open. Let me duplicate this. So if you found me here about the pen testing course, you probably landed on my channel here. This is my dog's profile. Okay, so if we come over here to courses, which is really cool from YouTube, here is the latest course, and it has 96 lessons, and you can click on here and play all. I think I'm gonna have to see. So hello everyone. I don't want to hear my voice. So for this one, you have to be a super thanks fan. You know, so you just join, it's $10 a month. So if you can purchase, if you purchase this and you finish this whole course and learn it, and you still join my Discord, if you have any questions, please reach out. And this is probably a better deal if you think about it, because this is a monthly. Obviously, if you stay with me and just support the channel, thank you with all my heart. But if you just say, okay, I want to join this to just do this course, and you do the course in, say, for an example, a month, you only pay $10 for the course. Right? Think about that. So obviously I want everyone, whoever supports, and I appreciate everyone that supports the channel, because I have, a lot of members, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you, because, it takes work to make these videos, to put it out there and give the world some value. Okay, so I just wanted to touch on that. And obviously, so you have to be minimum a super fan, then Ultimate Family, $15 a month. So if you just do the $5 one, you're not going to get the course. Right? Just because I put a lot of time and effort into this course, and I'm just trying to, make sure the value is still there. Because if you give it away for free, people don't really value it. It's the truth. Like if I got, for an example, something for free, me personally, I wouldn't value it as much as if I had to pay for it. Right? As far as training, everything else, like if I get a free t-shirt, I value that free t-shirt. But if you said, here, Pat, here's a free course, I'm going to do the course, but I'm going to do it at my own pace and when I have time. But if I said I paid $50 for that course, I'm going to lock in and actually have a schedule to do that course. Okay. Excuse me. So with that being said, this is the course here. So if you go to ispacademy.teachable.com, you can see here is the course, Hack Your Way In Junior Penetration Testing course. It was $50. Please, if you're seeing this, do not, if you see this from a previous, or if you land on here from a previous video, if you see this video, please do not purchase it from here, right? Just because if you do, I think in July is the end of my subscription. And once it expires, I'm not renewing it. So I'm just putting that out there for everyone, so people don't come to me yelling at me. If you please watch this video to know that. So again, just to review everything that we went over. Why am I going this route? Because my main focus is building my company, and there's so much more to come besides just penetration testing. What we offer, I want to talk about that just for maybe 2 minutes. So what does ISP offer? So the reason why I even started ISP Security is because I've been doing pen testing. I get a lot of slack on the internet, and it's really, really funny. I laugh all the time because I don't put my business, I'm not talking about this, but I don't put my personal business where I worked, where I've was employed, what I do on a daily basis. I focus on the internet from my InfoSec Pat, right? So if I have a full-time job, no one will ever know where I work, right? That's just, I've been personal since, I've been very private since I was a kid, right? So people didn't even know where I lived because I used to bring my friends over to someone else's house and my family. And then when they would go home, I would go to my real house. I was just raised like that. My family brought me up. Don't let people know where you shit. So that's the way I was raised. So now with the internet and all that stuff, it's easier to find out things, but we're not going to go there. So yes, I've been doing pen testing for over 10 years now, professionally, for a company. I will not reveal the company because that's my business. I'm not, and yeah, there's no reason to. And so I figured, what better way to do it than to be your own boss and do your own thing? And I've worked in Blue Team, I've worked in Threat Intel, I've worked, CTI, Cyber Threat Intel, offensive security, red teaming, penetration testing. You name it, I probably did it, right? So there's something I'm going to be offering very, very soon. I'm just, ironing out some stuff. I'm going to be offering blue teaming as well. So what does this entail? So it's going to be something like a sock in a box. I want to offer something to clients. So if I do a pen test for you, so it's not like, okay, thank you for your business, I'll see you next year. How can I continue that relationship? Now, the way I can continue that relationship is offering another service that can keep that relationship going. So what is that going to be? It's going to be cybersecurity services, more like SOC, like EDR. Like I'm going to be, because I'm a big Microsoft guy. A lot of people know I come from a Microsoft background. So I'm very familiar with MDE, XDR, SOAR, SIM, Microsoft Sentinel, that ecosystem, Intune, Purview for governance, e-discovery. That was my baby for a long time. Right? Yes, things have changed in 2026, but I'm very, very familiar with that ecosystem. So with that being said, I will be offering those services as well once I get a rep. So if anyone's seeing this and they know a rep at Microsoft or someone I can get in touch with, I want to see what's the latest and greatest stuff, because it's been over a year and a half since I've touched that, to be honest. So if anyone knows anyone, please let me know. And you can email me, pgorman@ispsecurity.co. That would be awesome. Or you can just go to my website and you can just, if you email contact@ispsecurity.co, that's a live mailbox too. So so the services that we offer: network pen testing, API web, red team ops, cloud security, mobile, vCISO services, wireless pen testing, AI pen testing, pretty much anything that we can test, we can give it a jingle. So, a shout out to all the partners that have partnered with me. These are all the people that I work with. And and there's more. There's others, but I just don't put them up there. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to iron out all the questions like, what's going to happen with my course if I purchased it? Don't worry. You will continue to get support, continue to get that course. And if you purchase it from Teachable and you have the evidence and proof that you did purchase it, please send me an email with that proof, or you send it on LinkedIn or whatever you want, however you want to reach me. And then I can go into, and obviously send your name, your email, and proof. And then I can just go into Teachable and compare if you are telling the truth. And if you are, I can get all the videos, compress it or zip it or whatever you want to call it, and then ship it over to you. Okay, that's pretty much it for today. And I just wanted to iron out that because I was getting a massive amount of questions like, why am I not putting out more content? Why am I not putting out more content for courses and stuff like that? And that's why, I just wanted to make that video quickly and easily, but it's 12 minutes in, so it's not very quick. So that's it for today. Hopefully everyone has a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Take care.